be that lucky to take a picture of lightning?
I don't know. So we're outside of my house. It's raining, yeah. And I don't have the keys. So we're stuck. Watch it rain.
Watch it rain. We've never seen rain.
Oh, you can't see it on the camera. But it's raining. And thundering. Oh yeah.
Stop it! It's going to die down here!
It's raining.
Bobby, it's getting really bad.
Oh yeah. This is fun.
How is this fun? You have a fucked up mentality of what fun is.
Shut up. Oh look, like this big. No, I can't see that one. Okay, right there. Oh, thunder!
Here's my shield from the rain.
It's windy too. What?